Welcome back. You're watching Round 1 action in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021. The scores are Naggo Head Primary on 7 points and St. Jude's Primary on 24 points. Let's now go to the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first team pressing the buzzer, earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but lose 2 if the answer is incorrect or if they answer before being identified. The team pressing the buzzer has 5 seconds to answer. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's have 4 minutes on the Guardian Achiever clock. Teams, we will begin with Jamaican affairs. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person. St. Jude's?
Kamina Janty Smith.
Minister of Foreign Affairs, correct. Sports. Which position in netball is GS?
Goal scorer.
Goal shooter. Bible knowledge. Complete this beatitude. According to the King James Version of the Bible. Blessed are the peacemakers. St. Jude's.
For they shall be called children of God.
Correct. Science. Fish have internal skeletons and a backbone. Into which general group of animals does this place them in?
Vertebrate.
Vertebrates. English language. Form an adjective from the word prepare.
Prepared.
Preparatory. Music. Which 6-letter word beginning with an E means an extra performance because the first performance was so good?
Intro.
Encore. General knowledge. Jamaica held its first elections on the universal adult suffrage in what year? Now go ahead.
1944.
Correct. Theatre. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this actress.
Anybody know who that is?
Courtney Cox. Mathematics. How would you say this number in words? 2, 4, 5, 6, 6, 9, 8. St. Jude's.
2,456,698.
Correct. Social studies. Rivers erode material downstream and deposit it in their upper parts. Is this statement true or false? Now go ahead.
True.
Incorrect. It's false. They erode material in their upper parts and deposit it downstream. Television. Who was the girlfriend of Simba in the original Lion King movie? Nala. Sports. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
LeBron James.
LeBron James.
Correct. Bible knowledge. Which book of the Bible comes immediately after Ruth? St. Jude's?
First Samuel's.
Correct. Science. Most fish do not have lungs. Is this statement true or false? Now go ahead.
True.
That is correct. They have gills. English language. Identify the adjectives in the sentence. The heavy rains resulted in flooding in the main street. Now go ahead.
Heavy.
That answer is incomplete. It's heavy and main. Music. What is the stage name of the Jamaican artiste Rexton Gordon? Shabba ranks. General knowledge. Is the platypus a mammal, bird, or amphibian? Now go ahead.
Mammal.
Correct. Local affairs. What is the name of... We won't be able to finish that question. That is the bell signifying the end of section 3 and the end of today's match. The final scores now have St. Jude's Primary on 32 and Naggo Head Primary on 11. So congratulations to St. Jude's Primary and well tried to Naggo Head Primary. Please stay with us. We'll wrap things up after these messages.